Hi, today at Ride Auto we have a really hard to find 2005 Ford F350. The reason that this is so hard to find, it's a 1-ton extended cab with a short box bed. Very sharp looking truck. It's got the Power Stroke turbo diesel, 4-wheel drive, sits up high, trailer tow package. It's missing the tailgate cover, we already have that coming. Factory running boards, diamond plate toolbox, telescopic towing mirrors with built-in signal and heat, tow hooks on the front, engine block heater. Let's get close up to the paint. There's no hail on the vehicle. The body's very straight throughout this clean titled 1-ton. Nice Firestone Elo tires. Cloth 6-passenger seating. Clean upholstery. Power windows, locks, no rust on the door jambs. Spacious back seat. It's got a bed liner as well. Clean running diesel, no smoke coming out. It really is the way that you're seeing it. No dents, scratches. The other side is just as clean. Again, no rust. Let's take you guys off for a test ride. Let's check the air conditioning first. Got a factory CD player. This is a built-in brake controller, cup holders, auxiliary. You can turn off the passenger airbag. Floor-mounted 4-wheel drive. Some people like that better. Transmission goes from gear to gear without any hard kicks or delays. Despite the higher miles, as you see, there's no warning lights that are on. The vehicle idles right where it's supposed to. No misfire, no hesitation, no smoke coming out of the exhaust. All the power windows work correctly. Let's take you guys off for a quick test ride. Check the transmission first. As you see, the transmission shifts correctly. The vehicle drives straight. There's no alignment issues. The front end is very tight. In 05 they redesigned the interior. You got a new dash. You also have a turbo boost gauge. The front end's been a little bit updated in 05. Also in 05, most of the issues that they had with the 6.0 liter had been fixed as far as the injectors or the EGR. As you see, this vehicle runs out great. There's no smoke coming out of the exhaust. We just have some of the jack handles in the back that are loose right now. That's what you hear. But other than that, this truck, if you didn't know it, the odometer, as high as it is, you would think it has 100,000, the way that it looks, the way that it runs. These are the rods that we're going to put in the correct spot. Power steering is very smooth. Windshield wipers work correctly. Air conditioning blows cold. If you have any questions about the Super Duty, feel free to give us a call at Ride Auto. We're located on Highway 13, directly across from Burnsville Menards, right next door to McDonald's. We always have a great selection of Super Duty trucks for you to choose from. Give us a call or email us with any questions you may have.